to my channel, Glam by Catty. I upload a video every Sunday. As you can tell from the title of this week's video, I will finally be showing you guys this highly requested sunset inspired eye look. Since you guys have seen me do my base 1,000,001 times, I will skip past all of that and we will just jump in straight into the eyeshadow. And for this look, I will be using one of my favorite palettes that I mentioned in one of my previous videos, the Morphe 24A Artist Pass palette. This video is also a giveaway, so please make sure you stay tuned until the end to see what you could win and the rules to enter. So if you'd like to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. Okay, so I did one eye already. That way you guys can see what we're going to be getting into. First, we're going to start with that Indigo Woe shade on a big fluffy brush, and I'm just going to apply it all over my crease. Once you have that coral shade all over in your crease blended as your transition, next we're going to get into that hot pink shadow called Max Volume. I'm just taking it on a small packer brush, and then I'm just going to place it in the front of my eye like this. And you'll probably only have to do this like twice because these shadows are crazy pigmented, but I'm just staying on the front half of my eye like this. You have that pink shadow on your inner half like this, then you're going to get into that deep purple shade called Major Inspo on that same brush, and we're going to focus it on the outer half now. Once your eye is looking like this and you have the purple all blended out, next, we're going to get that same big fluffy brush you used for a transition with no additional product and blend out these edges. Okay, now taking any concealer on a flat brush, we're just going to cut the crease. Once the crease is cut, and it does not have to be perfect, clearly mine isn't, but you're just going to fill it in with color anyway. So we're going to start working from the outside forward, starting with that same purple shadow, Major Inspo, and we're just going to pack it and stay on the outer half of the eye. Once the purple is all packed on like this, we're going to get back into that hot pink shade on the same brush called Max Volume. We're going to pack it right next to and slightly on top of the purple shadow. Next, we're going to take that same orangey coral shade that we used as our transition, Indigo Woe, on the exact same brush. And I'm just going to pack it on beside the pink and slightly on top of it, just like we did with the pink and the purple. Then last for the lid, I'm taking the bright ass yellow shade called Under the Sun on a small flat brush, and I'm just going to pack it in right there on the inner corner going into that coral shade. Okay, now before we apply any glitter or brow bone highlight, we're going to smoke out that lower lash line. So I'm just taking a flat lower lash line brush with that purple shadow, Major Inspo. We're going to smoke out our lower lash line closest to the waterline. After you smoked out your lower lash line like this with the purple, next we're going to get into that hot pink shadow on that same flat lower lash line brush called Max Volume, and we're going to smoke it out underneath the purple. Alright, now for brow bone highlight, I'm taking that beautiful champagne shimmer shadow on my favorite brush to use for a highlight, and that is the Morphe M152. I'm just taking it and applying it to my brow bone. And it is super gorgeous and very pigmented. Now for inner corner glitter, I'm taking that gold pressed glitter in the palette called Invite Only. It's super freaking gorgeous, and just popping that on my inner corner. Now we just need to add that little gold glitter line. So I'm going to be using this Too Faced Glitter Pop Peel Off Liner in the shade Lucky Bitch. So that is literally it to get this sunset inspired eye. Let me quickly pop on a lash highlight and a lip, and I'll be right back. So that completes this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and don't forget to drop a comment down below on what other video or look you guys like to see next. This video was also a giveaway, so if you want to participate, you can get your hands on your very own Morphe 24A Artist Pass Palette, as well as the matching brush set, the Morphe VIP Sweep, and your very own color switch brush cleaner, and a Dragon Glass matte liquid lipstick in the shade Horchata. It's just a classic nude. So if you want to get your hands on this gorgeous palette and these goodies, please enter this giveaway for a chance to win, because this palette is sold out everywhere. And the rules for the giveaway are very simple. They are the exact same as all of my previous giveaways. First, you must be subscribed to my channel. Second, give this video a like. Then third, there will be a secret emoji up on the screen, and just go comment that secret emoji on all of my socials. So my Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat. And remember, the more places you comment that secret emoji, the more chances you have of winning the giveaway. You have 48 hours. The winner will be chosen on Tuesday, and I will also announce the winner on all of my socials. So good luck, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!